Wish you could open your favorite app even faster on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here's how to launch any app just by double pressing the side button. First, go to Setting on your phone. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Tap side button. Next, tap double press. Turn it on if it's not already. Tap apps. Next, tap the settings icon next to it. And then select the desired app you want to launch. As the example, we will select Chrome browser app. Once set, you just need to double press the side button like this. And you can see that the selected app, in this case Chrome browser app, will open instantly. This is super handy shortcut, especially if there's one app you use all the time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.